The Savings and Investment Policy Project is an attempt to create a single one-stop shop voice for the financial services industry. We've provided too many areas in the past, too many voices, if you like, to both politicians, consumers and regulators. And this is an attempt to bring everyone together, whether you're from the life company arena through to retail banking. And what we're trying to achieve from the policy project is identify a whole of consumer life challenges they're facing and provide strategic proposals to overcome them. We're about to approach a tipping point in society in 2035 where people will retire at that generation, and they will be, for the first time since the 1940s, less well off than their predecessors. And we've published today in Our Financial Future a report identifying those challenges. So the key findings are that we are suffering from our sort of a debt overhang, if you like. Consumer credit has been very, very easy to obtain. And as a consequence, people have got out of the habit of saving. If you want that large ticket item today, you just go and buy it. In the past, you'd have saved for it. And that psychology, that mentality, people have lost that sort of connection with savings. And I think going forward, we need to re-engage that by providing a depoliticized savings environment to give them more certainty and engagement. You could say that this isn't the savings industry just saying you need to save more for self-interest. It goes way beyond that. In 1950, if you were born in 1950, when you were retiring, you in effect worked on average about 3 years for every 1 year you spent in retirement. About 45 to 15 was the ratio. Now, if you were born in the 1990s, you're going to be working for about 48 years on average for a retirement span of around 23. That's a real problem for society. This goes way beyond the savings industry. There are a number of challenges that we didn't create, but we need to help develop simpler solutions, work with the government, provide a single voice to consumers, provide more certainty. That leads to more engagement, and hopefully they will save more and provide for themselves over the longer term. So the next stage of the project is to identify strategic proposals that we can take to government and regulators that have been vetted and agreed by consumers that can overcome these challenges that we've identified in the first stage of our financial future.